After 60, something begins to change quietly inside your body. You wake up one morning and realize your back feels heavier, your knees don't bend as easily, your steps are slower. You look in the mirror and see a body that doesn't move quite the same. Most people whisper to themselves, "I guess this is just age." But that's not the truth. Your body hasn't given up. It's just waiting for you to wake it up again. Scientists have found that after 60, you can lose up to 3% of your muscle mass every single year. That's not just strength fading, it's your balance, your mobility, your independence slowly slipping away. But what almost no one tells you is that this process can be slowed, even reversed, with just 5 simple movements. No gym, no machines, just you, your body, and a few minutes each day. These 5 exercises have the power to bring back strength, control, and confidence, no matter your age. So take a deep breath, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you age. The first is the glute bridge, the bridge back to stability. Your glutes are your foundation, the muscles that keep you standing, walking, and balanced. But they are also the first to weaken when we sit too much or stop moving as we once did. And when they weaken, your back starts aching, your knees take more strain, and even walking becomes harder. To rebuild that foundation, lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet flat on the ground. Inhale deeply through your nose, then exhale as you lift your hips slowly toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes tight at the top, hold for a second, then lower back down gently. Repeat this simple movement 10 times, 3 sets, 3 times a week. As you do, feel your body remember what strength feels like. This is not just exercise, it's renewal. Every bridge you lift is one step closer to stability, to confidence, to freedom of movement. The second movement is the squat, one of the most natural actions your body can perform. You use it every day when you sit, stand, or pick something up, but lose the ability to squat, and you start to lose independence. The good news? You can always rebuild it. Stand tall with your feet about shoulder width apart, chest lifted, core gently engaged. As you inhale, push your hips back as if sitting into a chair. Bend your knees and lower yourself slowly. Keep your heels on the ground and your knees aligned with your toes. Then exhale as you press through your heels and rise back up. Do this again and again, feeling the strength return to your legs and hips. And if it's hard, don't worry. You can start by sitting down on a chair and standing up again. Each repetition, no matter how small, tells your body, "I'm still strong. I'm still here. I'm still capable." Squats aren't about perfection, they're about persistence. Next comes the calf raise. It looks simple, but it's one of the most powerful tools for protecting your health and balance. Your calves aren't just for movement. They help pump blood back to your heart every time they contract. That's why they're often called your body's second heart. When they weaken, your blood circulation slows, your legs swell, and your steps lose power. But you can fix that. Stand tall, holding onto a chair or wall if you need support. Slowly lift your heels until you're standing on your toes. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower them back down gently. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Feel your calves tighten and release, pumping strength and energy up through your legs. This small movement improves your stability, circulation, and balance. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, while brushing your teeth, waiting for the kettle, even during a phone call. Small movement, massive benefit. As you rise and lower, remember, you're training your body to keep moving forward. The fourth is the scapular retraction, a move that reclaims your posture and your confidence. As we age, many of us develop rounded shoulders, a curved back, and a compressed chest from years of sitting and poor posture. That doesn't just affect how you look. It affects how you breathe, how you feel, and how much energy you have. But one simple exercise can start to reverse that. Take a light resistance band or even a towel and hold it in front of your chest with both hands. Stand or sit tall. Now slowly pull your hands apart, squeezing your shoulder blades together like you're trying to hold a pencil between them. Hold that squeeze for 2 seconds, then release slowly. Inhale as you bring your hands back. Exhale as you pull. You'll feel your chest open, your shoulders relax, and your spine lengthen. With every repetition, you stand taller, breathe easier, and feel more alive. This one movement helps you fight gravity, not just physically but emotionally. The fifth is the push-up, the timeless symbol of strength. But don't worry, you don't have to drop to the floor. Start with wall push-ups. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Step your feet back slightly and keep your body straight. Inhale as you lower your chest toward the wall. Exhale as you push away. Keep your movements slow and controlled. Do 10 reps, 3 sets. When you get stronger, move to a table or countertop, then eventually to your knees. Push-ups strengthen your chest, arms, and core, the muscles that support you every time you lift, reach, or push something away. More importantly, they rebuild trust in your own body. Each push-up says, "I'm not done yet." You're teaching your body and your mind that strength never leaves, it only waits to be awakened. And there's one more. It looks simple, but it's the key to lifelong balance, the heel-to-toe walk. Balance isn't something you lose with age, it's something you stop practicing. And when you stop, your body forgets. So remind it. Find a straight line on your floor or imagine one. Place one foot directly in front of the other so your heel touches your toes. Keep your head up, your chest open, and your arms slightly out for balance. Walk slowly, step by step, focusing on control and coordination. Then turn around and walk back. It might feel shaky at first, but that's okay. That's your body learning again. With time, your balance returns. Your steps become lighter. Your confidence grows. Every step you take in control is a step away from fear, from hesitation, from decline. And that's it. 5 simple exercises. 5 small movements that have the power to rebuild strength, stability, and independence. You don't need hours in the gym. You don't need fancy machines. You just need a few minutes a day and a promise to yourself to keep going. Because consistency beats intensity every time. These exercises don't just train your muscles, they train your mind to reconnect with your body. They tell your heart, your lungs, your nerves, and your joints that you're still alive, still adaptable, still capable of change. In just a few weeks, you'll start to notice it. Standing up becomes easier. Climbing stairs doesn't feel so hard. You sleep better, walk steadier, breathe deeper. You move through your day not with hesitation, but with quiet confidence. Remember this, aging isn't losing, it's adapting. Your body isn't broken, it's waiting for direction. Even small movements, done regularly, send powerful messages to your cells. Rebuild, strengthen, grow. The human body never forgets how to heal. It only waits for a reason to start, and today you're giving it one. Don't worry about speed or perfection, just move. Move your body and your body will move your life. Because motion is medicine. And the moment you stop moving, your body starts to forget who you are. But when you move, even gently, it remembers. It remembers strength, stability, freedom. It remembers youth. So make yourself a promise today. You'll move. You'll start small, but you'll start. Because this is how transformation begins, not with huge leaps, but with small, consistent steps. Steps that say, I'm still here. Steps that say, I choose life. In time, those small efforts will build into strength. That strength will build into balance. And that balance will build into freedom. You'll walk taller, move steadier, and feel more alive than you have in years. Not because you turned back time, but because you decided to move forward. Aging doesn't define you. Effort does. You're not too old to get stronger. You're too strong to let age stop you. So stand up, take a deep breath, and begin. Because you are not done yet, not even close. This is your new beginning.